Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You open Word and create a new document now. Don't delay. Begin by choosing blank document or a template that matches your purpose, then immediately save with a clear file name and folder. Once done, enable Auto Recover and confirm the save location so edits aren't lost. Next, set the view to print layout, show rulers, and adjust zoom so you can see margins and line breaks. These first choices shape formatting and reduce rework later, so make them deliberate and consistent. Now focus on structure and formatting so the document is readable and easy to edit. Use the Styles pane for Heading 1, Heading 2, and Normal to ensure consistent fonts and spacing. This helps auto-generate a table of contents later. Apply bullets or numbering where lists belong, tweak line spacing and indents with the ruler for clean alignment, and insert images or tables using wrap text options so content flows. When making complex adjustments, switch to draft view. Finish by reviewing and securing the document. Run spelling and grammar and use read aloud if you want a different perspective. If collaborating, turn on track changes and resolve each edit before finalizing. Then add headers, footers, and page numbers, and inspect manual page breaks so the layout stays consistent when printed. Finally, export to PDF for distribution or save to OneDrive and set permissions. Restrict editing or add a password if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if formatting breaks, paste into a fresh document using Keep Text only to reset styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.